Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi, and thanks to all of you for watching our video, because we have got so many paintings from all of you. Yes, you should use this platform because Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. And those who are waiting, no more waiting, please send your artwork, art videos, because Doremi is waiting for you. So don't skip, watch our full video and comment us wherever you face the problem so I can make a personalized video for all of you. So watch the video.
So let's start the drawing of our sitting dog. So you have to take your paper in landscape mode and write down the digit 1. Yes. By just drawing digit 1, we are going to draw a sitting dog. Now you have to complete this triangle. Yes, this looks at triangle shapes. The baseline you have to draw longer. Yes. Now at the end of the triangle you have to draw a curved line that shows the back of the sitting dog. Now the straight line for front leg of the dog. Now this is the back leg. This looks different. The back legs are looking different as the dogs are sitting. And for the stomach also we have drawn a line. And the stomach lines are parallel to the back line. Now we have drawn the back legs for other sides and front legs for other sides of the dog. Now nail. You have to learn these things very simply. For this reason you need to watch the full video. Don't skip. Nose, now eyes, now ear. To make our drawing look more interesting, I am drawing a ball. Yes, our sitting dog is playing with the ball, and you can see the eyeball. In the eyes, you can see the eyeball looking at the down towards the ball. And now this is the tongue. And what is left? Yes, the tail is left. So that should become at the bottom of the back because the dogs are sitting. And now at the end of the drawing you will complete your drawing just by drawing some spots on the body of our dog. I hope you have understood. For your better understanding, I am just showing all the steps. You see carefully once again. So this was our 1. Complete the triangle. Draw the baseline longer. Now back the dog. Now front leg, back leg. Now stomach line. Other side's leg. Now nail, eyes, nose, ear, ball, tongue and tail. Now spot, the drawing is done. Now you also complete your drawing and send us. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.